from Little House Homestead, and I am experiencing some lovely new things here in Florida, like rain. Definitely not something I'm used to. It has rained over 10 inches in the 2 weeks that I've been here, but the sound of the rain is just so incredible. It's like nothing that I've ever seen before with this much rain, that's for sure. Although I have found even the water on a leaf will create mosquitoes. So that's a new challenge for me to figure out how to combat. But I thought I'd give you guys a nice view of a rainy day on the lake. Have a great day, all.